Ayan, say hi!
Hi! Picture mo din ako, Be.
Oo.
Kanya, rap, picture, video mo na. Sorry, Be, ha?
Sige, okay na te. Ganahan ko din hinga part, oh.
Oh my God! Kuya, pwede ito? Dako na. Pwede ko harvestin? Pwede ito? Pwede? Ah, hilaw ba ito? Malaki na! Ang laki! Hindi pwede? Yes!
Ako gilandscape, ate. Up.
Good ball!
The expensive one has to come. Huh? The key one has to come.
Yeah.
Ngawat ko, guys. Hi!
Bili na kayo! Oh, tay, barato na tay. Bakal na tay, bakal. Sabi, sabi ha ngayon ha. Sabi ate o. Mula lang. Oh my God, this is an experience of a lifetime.
Huh?
Oh. Uy! Oh my God! I am in a paradise of watermelon. Bakal na kayo!
Run
Bakal na!
like a rocket.
Bakal na kayo! Bakal na, sir! Sir!
Huh?
Bakal.
Bakal. Bye!
Bye.
That's sister language. Bakal na, sir! Bakal!
Robby boy.
Tablaw ni Ron.
We just want to pay. We already ate it.
Bayad mo, bayad mo. Sarap. Oh my God. I have to document myself. What? Ooh. Enjoying this. It's really different when you just harvest the fruit. It's really sweet. Ooh la la.